Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, yesterday we discussed about writing portion. In that, I have taught you about story writing, or in story writing, especially the story writing which you will write in exam on the basis of given outlines. Dear students, today I am going to discuss and we will revise one lesson in literature. That is the last lesson of your supplementary book, The Moment. Or the name of lesson is The Beggar. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss the story of a beggar, how that beggar's life was changed. We will discuss in this story. In this story, dear students, we will also learn, we will also discuss, we will also know that the kindness and good behavior of any person, how that quality, kindness and good behavior can change and can transform the life of anybody. This thing we will discuss in this chapter. Dear students, in particular chapter, The Beggar, which we are going to discuss, I have already taught you in the class. In this story, the central character is the beggar. His name is Luskaf. Or the second character of this story is Sergei, who is an advocate. Or the third character is Olga, who is a cook, who is preparing food in the house of Mr. Sergei. Understood? The first character of this story is Mr. Luskaf, who is a beggar and central character of this story. Around this beggar, the whole story rotates. Or the second character is Sergei, who is responsible, you may say, for changing his life. And the third character is Olga, understood, the cook, who has played a very vital and important role in the life of this man, in transforming, in changing the life of this man, Luskaf. Luskaf, a person who is, you may say, begging and cheating others, making fool to others. How this beggar's life was changed after coming in the influence of Sergei and Olga. We will discuss in this story. These two important characters, they changed the life of this man who had followed the wrong path. And for his survival, this man Luskaf was making every day new story, dear students. So let us start. Dear students, the story starts as Mr. Luskaf, the beggar, whose work was to ask the money from the people by making different stories. That man Luskaf, he was begging and he was asking money to the people by telling very emotional story, by creating a very emotional story in front of the people. Some people are very emotional. They used to come in his trap, in his net, And finally, dear students, they were giving some money to him. Or another day he was making another story. Every day he was changing, he was coming with new story. And wearing very old and torn dress, clothes, and not a very good look, but very dirty look. So means his appearance, he was making himself, his appearance was also looking like beggar, and the story which he was making, it was seeming to the people that the story was very real, but actually that was the trick of this Luskov for making foolish to the people. This was the trick of that man. Every day he was coming with new story. So what I want to tell you, when one day Mr. Luskov was asking money to the people by telling that he was a school teacher, what he created a story on that day, in the beginning of the story. He created the story in front of the people, in front of the crowd, that he was a school teacher. And due to conspiracy, he was that conspiracy was made by his colleagues. Understood? The staff of that school, and because of that he was expelled from that school. This story in the beginning of the chapter made by Mr. Luskov. And now after that he was not having money, even he was not having money for his survival. Even he told the people that he has opportunity to go Kaluga where he will get the job. But because he didn't have money, so he was not able to move. So for that reason he was telling to the people, he was asking money. So when he was telling this story, narrating this story to the people, a huge crowd, a large number of people gathered there. They were listening this story. Some were believing also, some were giving money also. At that time, Mr. Sergei, the central character of the story, he reached there. Or he found that one man was sitting on the ground and telling one emotional story that he lost his job and he was jobless. Even he had not money to apply for the new job, and even he was not in position to go Kaluga to apply for his new job. So he was listening. But after seeing this man, Luskov, the beggar, the central character of the story, Sergei, who is an educate, after observing his appearance from top to bottom, he ultimately estimated in his mind that he has seen that man before. Or he started remembering. After some time, dear students, the man Sergei reached to the conclusion that man Luskov, he met before 3-4 days at another place. Or especially he caught him after seeing the shoes of that person. Firstly, he helped him. Or on that day, when first time he met to Mr. Sergei, he told that he was a school student and he was expelled from the school. Understood? So first day he made the story as a school student, and second day he was making a story as a school teacher. So after that, Mr. Sergey insisted and asked him ki before some days, before 3-4 days I met you and you told me that you were a school student and you were expelled from your school. But today you are making a story, narrating the story that you were a school teacher. So first you decide and tell me ki whether you were a school teacher or you were a school student. But that man Luskov, the beggar who was on that day narrating the story in form of school teacher, he insisted. He was rigid at his statement, at his story. Or he was consistently saying that no, he was not a school teacher. The man Sergei has seen someone else. He was actually a school teacher, and he lost his job because of the conspiracy of his colleagues. But when Mr. Sergei threatened him that he will raise this matter or he will call the police, legal action will be taken against that person, Luskov. So after knowing this, after seeing this type of attitude of Mr. Sergei, he ultimately told the reality. The man Luskov who was making everyday news story, ultimately he told the reality, or the reality was that he was neither the school teacher nor a school student, but he was working in one of the musical group, or because of his drinking habit, they expelled him from the group. Understood? He was drinking wine. So because of that nature, the man was expelled from the musical group. Understood? Or after suppose leaving that place, he was not getting any job. And one more thing, the wine has reduced his physical and mental capacity and ability also. As he was drinking wine, so due to drinking wine for a long time, that man Luskov was not in position to do any physical work. Understood? Because his physical strength was totally reduced. And then finally he told the reality. Then Sergei offered him. He even told him that, sir, after expelling from that job, after leaving that job, after losing that job, nobody is giving me job. Can you give me any job? To Sergei, he told him that I can give you a job, but if you want to do. Finally, Sergei took this Luskov to his home, and he said that there is a work, and that work was cutting the wood, chopping the wood. The man Luskov was not knowing how to cut the woods, burning wood. Understood? And finally, but he had no other option. When both Mr. Sergei and Luskov, they reached their home, Sergei reached to his home. After that, he called his cook, Olga, and told her that this man Luskov wants to chop the wood. Please take him to the set where the woods are kept, and give him an axe to chop the wood. But as I have told you, this man was not in position to do any work. he was not in position because his physical strength was totally reduced. Understood? He was not in position to do any physical work because of drinking wine continuously. Understood? Because of his bad habit. Anyhow, this man with the Olga reached to the set, or there the lady has showed her the wood and gave him axe also. But this man was not in position. He tried, but he could not cut. Ultimately, the lady Olga, who was the cook of Mr. Sergei, she became angry, but she chopped the wood in place of Mr. Luskov. Or in front of the master, she told that the woods were cut by Luskov. So for that, dear students, he got 30-40 kopecks. Kopecks is the unit of currency. And after that, this man Sergei offered him, suppose work, that on every first day of the month, the man Luskov may come and may chop the wood. This type of offer was given. Or this Luskov was coming and he was getting every time 20 to 40 kopecks. Understood? Or by that he was surviving. But every time this lady, this kind lady, though she was scolding him, because she knew that the man is drinking wine, and due to his that drunken habit, his all physical strength has been reduced. So finally, dear students, this lady was scolding, but anyhow she was cutting. Even this, and he was getting money every month. Not only this much, dear students, this man even offered him, called him, and took the help of Mr. Luskov in shifting his house from one place to another place. After observing 3-4 months, then the man Sergei was fully satisfied and happy that he was ultimately able to change the life of a cheater who was making foolish to the people. And then he gave one letter, or that letter was, in that letter he has requested to his friend for the job of Mr. Luskov. Luskov went there, or finally he, even he inquired whether he was able to read and write or not. He accepted, sir, I can read and write. So there was a job of notary. Or he went there, Mr. Luskov. After the recommendation of Mr. Sergei, there he started working. Or his life was absolutely changed, dear students. But what I want to tell you, this job he got because of Mr. Sergei. And now he was getting, dear students, 35 rubles. Ruble is a bigger currency, bigger unit. Understood? And he was getting 35 rubles per month. Huge amount. The man who was cheating others, the man who was making foolish others, because of this motivation of this man, pressure of this fellow, and because of the kindness and support of Olga, the man's life was absolutely changed and transformed. Or when after 2 years he met Mr. Sergei at the ticket counter of one of the movie theater, there he found, dear students, there he found that man was old acquaintance of him, So finally, Sergei asked to Luskov, ki how you are this time. So Luskov gave thanks to Sergei for changing his life. Or he said that he was thankful to him, Luskov, the man who was earning 35 rubles. Now he was thankful to Sergei. But at the same time he said, sir, I am thankful to you, but I am thankful to that lady also who motivated me, who changed my life. Or because of that lady, dear students, that life of Luskov was changed. So ultimately we, after this discussion, we have reached to the conclusion that the kind behavior and the good nature of Olga and Sergei understood changed the life of Mr. Luskov or made him from a good human being, from a bad human being, from a cheater to a good human being. Understood? So this is all about this chapter. I think you have understood. We will discuss another chapter in the next video. Thank you, dear students.